Alright, welcome back. So just now, I've gone through how to use model to solve simultaneous equation. Now, we'll use algebra instead to solve the same question. Okay, using algebra to solve simultaneous equation will be covered further when you go to secondary school. Okay, but it's a good idea to start in primary school first. Okay, so you have already read through the question. It's the same question as the one before. So now, to use algebra to solve this question, okay, I'll start off with Ahmad and Bernard. And for Ahmad, I will put 3 A's over here. Okay, because Ahmad spent 2/3, so I can treat this 3 as 3 A's over here to represent a total. Okay, and for Bernard, since he spent 3/5, so you can see the denominator is 5 units, right? So I'll put 5 B's to represent Bernard's total. Okay, from here, I label the total. Okay, the total is $240. Okay, so in other words, this 3A plus this 5B will give me $240. Okay, and after that, I cut it into, I draw a line down to cut them apart. And this part over here will be what Ahmad and Bernard spent. Okay, because keep in mind that Ahmad spent 2/3, so out of the 3 A's, 2 A's are gone, while Bernard, for out of the 5 B's, 3 B's are gone. And so this will be the leftover. Alright, understand so far? And from here, I can form two equations. The first equation will be 3A plus 5B equals to 240. Okay, no need to put the dollar sign because only the final answer that you can put. Okay, for the working, you can just ignore the dollar sign first. And this is the first equation. And for the second equation, after spending the money, Bernard had $8 more than Ahmad. In other words, 2B minus A, okay, will give me $8. Okay, because Bernard has $8 more than Ahmad. So 2B minus A will give me $8. Alright, understand? So now I have a pair of equations. Okay, I need to find the A and B. Okay, so how do I do that? Okay, there are many ways of doing this type of question. Okay, maybe I can just share with you one way on this. I want to make the A the same. Okay, so over here I need times 3 because I want to make A the same as 3 A's. Okay, so 2 times 3 will give me 6B, while A times 3 will give me minus 3A. Okay, be careful, there's a minus sign in front. Okay, while 8 times 3 will give me 24. Okay, so I've converted this to this. I just times 3 to every term to make the 3A same as this 3A. Okay, then the next step, since the 3A's are the same, I put this on top one another. Okay, so the 3A plus 5B I put on top, while the 6B minus 3A equal to 24 I put below. Okay, and from here I put a plus and I draw a line across. Okay, why do I do that? Okay, the reason is because 3A minus 3A will cancel away. Okay, the A's will be gone. Okay, so when I take 3A minus 3A is gone, so 5B plus 6B will give me 11B, while 240 plus 24 will give me 264. Okay, this method is called elimination. Right, so once again, I take 3A minus 3A, so the A's are gone, while 5B plus 6B will give me 11B. Okay, it's just like doing your normal addition. Okay, so the 11B will give me 264. Alright, so 1B, right, but we don't write 1, we just write as B. So B will be 264 divided by 11, which is 24. Okay, so now I have found the value of B. I will need to find the value of A. So how do I do that? I find Bernard total first, which is 5B. So 5B will be 24 times 5, 120. And since the total is 240, to find Ahmad, you take 240 minus 120, which is 120. And this represents 3 A's. Okay, because Ahmad is 3 A's. Okay, and so therefore 1A will be 120 divided by 3, which is 40. Okay, I hope you can understand so far. So to find the amount they spent altogether, Ahmad spent 2 A's, while Bernard spent 3 B's. Okay, so the total amount they spent will be 3B plus 2 A's. Okay, so 1B is 24, so it's 3 times 24 plus 2 times 40, and the answer is $152. Okay, and the answer is exactly the same as the one before that we used model to solve. Alright, so once again, I've just shown you two methods to solve simultaneous equation. One is by using model, okay, which is better for visual learners because people who like to see things in the pictures actually prefer to use model to understand the question. And the second method is to use algebra. Okay, so do not fear algebra. You need to be strong in algebra because this method will be covered more in depth and used many times in secondary school. So with that, I hope that you enjoy your lessons and hope that you can attempt questions like this in the future.